Okay, so this is a very unique tool we've done for window lifting. This application requires 2 sets of handles to do the lifting. So we actually have 2 sets. This is on a Gorbel Easy Arm. We have a first handle here, and the Gorbel Easy Arm, the Gorbel pendant, proportional pendant. The harder you push, the faster it'll go. The slower you push, the lighter you push, the more you can feather it. So you can move it faster or slower. Now, you do have the ability to do this both sides. What we've done, because we don't know, there's 2 operators in this cell, we've set it up so only one operator can operate the grip and release at any point in time. So you see the B and the A over there. You have to cycle this to the B side, and if I want to actually use the vacuum over here. If I do that, I will no longer be able to use any of the grip and release functions over here until I cycle it to the A side. You have a center of gravity shift here to level out the tool. We also have a momentary pitch. I'm going to try to get this a little closer to center here. Grip. This is a vacuum saving pump, so once vacuum is made, the vacuum shuts off until it loses enough vacuum to cycle the pump again. You can see we have a green level here, which is safe to lift. You can, from both sides, pitch this part up. We also have a manual rotate function, so now I can release the rotation. Go to the other side here, release the rotation. You have that on 90-degree detents. So if I want to go back to the end controls, I can do that. We have an anti-drop circuit, so I'll go ahead and pitch this down. So we have an anti-drop circuit. So if I hold the common and release right now, I can't release the part in midair. Once I've released the part, once I've let the weight off, I can now release the part. That is the basic operation of this tool. For any other questions, feel free to give us a call or visit us at ergonomicpartners.com. Thank you.